Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today it's a very simple and easy tutorial. Yes, you can make this yourself. I'll be taking you guys along and I hope you enjoy this video. So if you're new to my channel or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 𝐘𝐨𝐿 if you're new here or you're just seeing my video. And for my OGs, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for always coming and tuning in to watch my videos. My returning subscribers, welcome guys. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. And my new subscribers, thank you. If you're new to my channel, please drop it at the comment section. Welcome you guys specially. So thank you so much, like I said, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. It's a very and easy tutorial you can actually make yourself. So at this point, I'm just going to roll the Brazilian wool through the rollers and then put it inside hot water. So yeah, I'm using my conditioner. I'm just going to put my conditioner and then put the cold water. This one is on reverse, that's why it looks like this. So after getting it, I'll use my rollers, that's to one of it, to make all the air sick inside the water. And then after doing that, I'll take it out from the bucket and then allow it to dry. So this is me trying to put the nets we just created on the mannequin's head and then secure it with my pin. After securing it with the pin, I'll go ahead and start crocheting the Brazilian wool on the net. After doing that, or crocheting the hair, I will just go again and roll it on the roller and put it inside hot water again. So I put this Brazilian wool inside hot water, yet I didn't get the coils I want, even though I applied my spraying hold and the things I needed to do. What I wanted to do was not what the video I had in mind to do was not what I ended up doing. So, but I'm going to still create another one, the look I want. I'm going to create it on my with using Brazil extension. That's this normal braiding hair for it, because I think that one will give me what I want. So this was not giving me what I want at all, and then I end up doing a different hairstyle, which you guys saw on the thumbnails. That's not what I wanted to do. You can see the coils are out, they are no more there. I'll just go again and roll it on my roller. So I dip the hair inside hot water. Like I said earlier, it wasn't giving me what I want, so I had to put the hair on hot water. So that is it. This is the second time I'm doing it. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. If you watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Drop it at the comment section. Let me know your experience on what Brazilian wool has done to you. In fact, the videos we see online, I don't know what to say, because this one is what I want, or what I ordered versus what I got. I didn't get what I want at all. So yeah, but I thank God the coils came out at the second part, but it still didn't give me what I wanted. So here is it. I will just go ahead and put it inside hot water and let this one dry very well. So when it's dry, the coils at least came out and was better than the first one. What the coils look like. So right now I'll just go ahead and install it on my hair. So this hair, I'm not putting gel, I'm not putting anything. This is not the hairstyle I wanted to go for, but because I don't want the video, my time, everything to waste, so I just have to do it and finish it, and let's see how it is. So I'm not going to put anything on my hair, not even gel or edge control. I didn't put anything, but I'm going to make sure I comb it to be smooth. So I'm going to pack it into a ponytail and then braid the tip of the hair and secure it with pin. With pin, this is what it's going to look like. I will go again and brush it because I want the hair to be smooth. So this is what I have here. I will go ahead and start securing this with my bobby pins. You guys will see the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, and you can also watch my other videos I'm very sure you will love. They are on my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.